Myself Manoranjan. Today we will do fourth experiment of your physics lab. Your aim of the experiment is to determine the wavelength of given monochromatic light by using Newton's ring apparatus. Your apparatus requires a monochromatic source of light to Newton's ring set of 3 is your travelling microscope. Then theory, in a Newton's ring experiment, the wavelength of light is given by the formula that is lambda is your dn plus p square minus dn square divided by 4pr, where lambda is your wavelength of light, dn is your diameter of nth ring, r is your radius of curvature of the planar convex lens, p is your n plus p minus n. Then observation, determination of pitch and least count of micrometer scale attached to the travelling micrometer. Actually micrometer scale is your equivalent to screw gauge. So see here, 1 linear scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeter, 10 complete rotation of the circular scale is equal to 10 linear scale division, 1 complete rotation of circular scale equal to 1 linear scale division. Your pitch is your total complete rotation of circular scale in 1 linear scale division. That means pitch is your 0.1 centimeter. So least count is pitch divided by number of total divisions of the circular scale, that is pitch by 100. That means pitch is your 0.01 divided by 100 is your 0.001 centimeter. And 2 is your radius of curvature of the planar convex lens. It is given to you, that is r is your 200 centimeter. Experiment. See here, this one is your sodium lamp and this one is your travelling microscope and this one is your transformer for sodium lamp. See here, in this travelling microscope, this one is your microscope and this one is your micrometer, and here is a convex lens and here is a plain glass plate और इसके अंदर एक न्यूटन रिंग सेटअप. सी हियर, ये न्यूटन रिंग सेटअप पे एक प्लेन ग्लास प्लेट और एक ग्लास रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर का प्लानो कन्वेक्स लेंस हुज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज 200 सेंटीमीटर. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे एयर फिल्म क्रिएट होगा. सी हियर, व्हेन लाइट फॉल्स ऑन convex lens, then it will moves through this convex lens and will falls on the plain glass plate. Then it will reflected and now it falls on plano convex lens. Then one part ray will reflected, other part ray refracted, will get reflected and will also fall on plain glass plate. Then see here, this ray will also यहाँ will also get reflection. Then when light here falls on plain glass plate, it will get reflected first, then it will also get refracted and it will also moves in same direction. That's why we will see concentric circular fringes with center dark. See here, Newton's rings will see like this. And crosswire of microscope also like this, horizontal crosswire and vertical crosswire. See here, if we will move the circular scale of this micrometer, then these rings will move in horizontal direction. That means vertical crosswire will tangent to the rings. So adjust the micrometer in such a way that vertical crosswire will tangent to 10th dark ring. So count karo. Let this one is your first dark ring, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Let this one is your 10th dark ring. So tangent vertical crosswire to the 10th dark ring. Then we'll take reading from micrometer. Then move it and tangent the 9th ring. Then also take the reading from micrometer. Similarly, go up to first ring of right hand side. Then similarly, in same process, we'll move to left hand side. First, second, third, up to 10. Then see here, this 10th ring minus this 10th ring, then we will get diameter of 10th ring. Similarly, 9 minus 9, diameter of 9th ring. Similarly, first minus first, then we will get diameter of first ring. Then we will find diameter square. See here, in graph, in x-axis we will take number of rings and in y-axis we will take diameter square. then graph will be straight line and passes through origin. We'll find slope for these 2 points, and let this point is dn plus p square and this point is your dn square. Then your slope is your dn plus p square minus dn square divided by n plus p minus n. That means slope is your this. Table for determination of diameter dn of the ring. Number of observation, order of ring, left hand slide reading, right hand slide reading. Diameter is your a minus b, diameter square in centimeter square. See here, number of observation 1 to up to 10, order of ring 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And left hand slide reading will be divided into 4 sub-columns. See here, MSR main scale reading in centimeter, circular scale coincidence, circular scale reading in centimeter, that is A is your main scale reading plus circular scale reading. Similarly, in right hand slide reading, main scale reading in centimeter, circular scale coincidence, circular scale reading in centimeter, B is your main scale reading plus circular scale reading in centimeter. And by taking your observation, see here, these are the data, and this one is your diameter, and this one also is your diameter square. And from graph, we will find dn plus p square minus dn square by p is your 0.05 centimeter square. So lambda is dn plus p square minus dn square by 4 pi. That one is your working formula, and this point is your 0.05 divided by 4 into r is your 200, that means 0.05 by 800, that will be your 6250 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. But your standard value of lambda is 5893 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So percentage of error is lambda standard minus lambda observed divided by lambda standard, and take mod of this, then into 100. That is 5893 into 10 to the power minus 8 minus 6250 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 5893 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then take mod of this into 100 is just 6.05 centimeter. And in conclusion, see here, the wavelength of given monochromatic source is found to be 6250 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter with an error
of 6.05%. Okay, thank you.